Hi guys, it's Shelby with Farmhouse Living, and if you are new to our channel, then welcome. We are a mother-daughter team of interior designers, and we create content to help you create a home that you love. So today this video is a little different. We recently took on our own home renovation, my husband and I. We purchased a 1960s ranch that we call the Skyline Project. It took us 6 months to renovate this house. We converted the garage, changed out the plumbing, rewired the whole house. We didn't do the work, but we hired it out. And basically everything's new. We kept some character just refinished the old hardwoods and installed some really cool beams in the ceiling. So we're loving where we went with it, but we moved in and it's just not quite finished. If you've experienced a renovation before, then you understand that the little details take the very longest. So for example, I chose a paint for the cabinets that was a little too warm, and when our team came in to review the color, it was brown. I wanted it to be black so bad, but it was brown. So we basically DIY'd with a friend of ours to respray the cabinets the appropriate color. So there's overspray on the ceiling. The person who was supposed to do the trim just never did the trim on the back doors. We still don't have the shower glass in our master bathroom, but we can shower in our guest bathroom. So there's all these little details that actually the trim in the living room just never got painted. The painter disappeared into the abyss, and so we have the choice to either hire another painter or do it ourselves, and we've just kind of moved in and started relaxing. We're like, when it happens, it'll happen. But needless to say, the whole point in telling you this is, first of all, renovation's hard and it's crazy, but it's worth it. But the biggest thing is, now that we're here, the holiday season, you know, you've seen our videos and the pictures of what we've done at Mom's house, and we've shared a lot of Christmas content with you over the years. It's one of our favorite things to install Christmas into homes and just get festive during the season, but this tail end of the renovation has me not wanting to do any of it. I'm like, the house is just not finished, so I'll skip this year and then do next year. Well, I've decided to just follow my own advice, which is just do it. Like, I love Christmas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share all these tips. We're gonna give you a brief little preview of the house. We'll show you everything eventually when we can get finished. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Christmas to cover up everything that I don't like about the house right now. And then that will give me time to rest. And then come 2019, I'll be ready to take the projects on and be excited again. Because honestly, like, 6 months of renovating, I'm just not excited about it anymore. So I'm gonna take today and I'm gonna be excited about my house. I'm gonna cover everything I don't like, and I'm gonna feel festive. I'm gonna turn on some Christmas music, and we're gonna do it. Okay guys, so what we're gonna start with is some evergreen garland. So we're gonna DIY this. I'm typically not a DIYer, but I'm trying to do this in the most cost-effective way as possible. Like I said, we just renovated. Super expensive, so I want Christmas to be cheap this year, but I also want it to be festive. So the goal with this garland is to cover up over the trim area. A video on how to do this actually on YouTube. I like to share from YouTube because I learned from YouTube. And so this channel that I learned from is called Garden Answers, and Laura, I think, she's super cute, and she taught us how to do this. Basically, she just got some twine, and the twine was like the guide, and then the paddle wire is how you secured each branch to each other and to the twine. Does it look cute?
I think so.
Does it look like it could go over a door nice?
Yeah.
I'll put something funny like, grab a friend, make some tea, wear matching sweaters. So we have put up the garland and immediately we were feeling so much better. So we hid that ugly, untrimmed space around the door. We might have been covered in spiders, but Laura from Garden Answers tutorial from to make a fresh evergreen garland works. So you just need some paddle wire, twine, and throw some stuff that you cut out of your backyard. But yes, bugs are involved in that process, but it was totally worth it because immediately I felt so refreshed and I felt like, oh my gosh, my house is not unfinished. It's in process and I was just like re-energized to keep going. So then we filled in the built-ins real quick, put up the tree, threw up some stockings. I don't have a mantle, so we just put them straight on the wall, and layered some nice little details on the island. So we layered some details on the island, and I feel good, y'all. And so if you feel like your house is unfinished, use the Christmas, the Christmas fluff, all the stuff that you get to throw up for Christmas to cover the things that you feel like you've been lacking. Just literally, we just took a few hours today and we gave the house a refresh, and come spring, or January and February, we'll be ready to take on some projects. And so yeah, I hope that you're inspired. I hope that you're ready to take on Christmas, even if it's a little late in the blogging world. I'm excited to share the sneak peek of our Skyline project. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe below, and you can click over to the blog if you'd like to see more details about what we've done here. So have a great day, y'all. Merry Christmas. Bailey, look at me. Bailey, hey, you want food?
You have a spider hanging from you.
Where? On my arm? No. From one of this? What is it?
It was hanging from your sweatshirt. Oh. That means he was on you.
Oh, no problem. It all together, you know?